unboxing is gonna be for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. They are out there in the market for quite some time. Just managed to get my hands on a pair of these ones alongside with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Which by the way works just brilliant. But anyway, we are going to quickly unbox this one so we can actually see what's inside. Of course, same thing as on any company that really want to make sure you're going to receive the right stuff. Do not accept if the seal is broken. Right, so once you cut through both of the seals, this one, the one actually says something and the other one, just hold it like this and slowly to unbox it. Most probably in here, in the first small box that's inside of a box, you're going to have like a user guide. Most of the times this is what happens. I don't know if you guys seen the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, but same thing applied in there. As I was saying, we have in here the quick start guide. Now, the quick start guide, if you haven't had buds in the past, I would strongly advise you to actually read it, because it's actually telling you how to get them set up for the first time. I mean, it's quite intuitive in the meaning of easy, you just you're supposed to just open this case and the Bluetooth pairing should start. You will be able to find it with the Samsung device. Also, I strongly advise you to get the Samsung wearables, as you are going to need them anyway. Samsung Smart Thing may be something that you are looking at using, but yeah, this is how it looks like. This is the actual case where you are keeping your earbuds, the actual earbuds. Let me show you this. So let's have a look. Samsung Sound by AKG. Now, even inside the box of the Samsung Galaxy S20 or whatever last, the latest models, you're going to have some earbuds, the ones with a cable, like with a wire from AKG. So this is how they look like. This version is the one in white. I'm not a huge fan of the white one because, I don't know, I'm just not a huge fan, but it's just a matter of preferences, I guess. At the end, all it matters is actually you enjoying the product itself, because honestly, the product is just a beauty. As you may see in there, you have one for the left ear, the other one is for the right ear. Also, you won't be able to miss them when you put them in back in place, because you can't really put the left one in the right side. It's just not gonna work, ain't gonna happen. Now, the case itself, it's quite nice, as you may see. It has a wireless charging, so again, I would strongly advise you to use, just making sure you're going to make the most of it. I would strongly advise you to actually use a Samsung wireless charger if you want to use it. Apart from that, you are also able to charge them via micro USB-C, as you can see it in here. Yeah. And yeah, pretty much that's about it. In the box itself, the other half of the box pretty much, most probably as for the Samsung Galaxy Buds, we are going to find the USB-A to USB-C charger anyway, and also some different size for the earplugs, depending on how big your ears are. Yeah, so as you can see, of course, we have the charger, or the, USB cable, I guess we can call it. Let me just take it out so I can show you guys. I'm gonna be honest with you, in the Samsung Galaxy Buds that I had before, yeah, not the Plus but the Buds, I haven't ever used this one because I had all the cables, and most of the times I actually use the wireless charger because it kind of makes sense, to have wireless charger, faster, better, saving time. And yeah, this is what you have inside the box. Yeah, USB-C. And also the USB, so you can charge it. The good part is that with this one you can charge it onto your laptop, you can charge it into like a wall socket. Some of the new wall sockets, that the new technology, sort of speaking, they already have like a USB socket anyway. Same thing that you find as an example in hotels and stuff. And as I was saying, depending on the size of your ears, you also have some stuff in here. If you want to change them, let me take them out very quickly. Hopefully I'm not going to lose any. So depending on the size of your ears, you have different sizes. Now, to be honest with you, I found that the ones, you know, that are offered by default, they work just fine for me, but it might not be the same case for you guys. Anyway, I do hope so you actually like this short video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video if you think it's useful, and of course, if you're honestly thinking about having an actual review about how this Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus actually work, you know, my personal opinion, we will definitely be able to you know, to fit in a quick video on how they work. Okay, cheers guys.